wedding is coming.
Oh my God, what a treat this is. I'm never here when the fireworks are, so I was so excited when you invited me and I said, oh.
I'm sorry there's no big party.
No, this is perfect. This is perfect for the party.
Oh, they're great. I love this. They're new. I have never seen those before.
The silver. Silver
that.
is new, Mary. I haven't seen the silver.
Just where they go off like that.
See, I never get tired of seeing these.
You never
See,
what?
I would never get tired of seeing these. I would see these every day.
Oh, I love these, the ones that go off.
Hey, you're either a firecracker person or you're not.
Actually, I could be pyrotechnic.
Ah.